The Apple Pencil, jam-packed with a lot of hidden features, especially with iPadOS 26. This thing is a powerful work tool. And so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you some of my favorite hidden features, tips, and tricks that the Apple Pencil Pro can do. All that and more in this video, and yes, timestamps will be in the description down below for your pleasure. So before I begin talking about like all the cool Scribble features and such, one of the most forgotten features is that this pencil actually has Find My capabilities. You can either launch the Find My app on your iPad, or you can launch the Find My app directly on your iPhone, select the Apple Pencil, and on whichever device you start using, you'll have this like close or nearby feature pop up like you would on an Apple TV remote. Extremely powerful stuff if you have a habit of misplacing this. Now, if you're an artist, a unique feature that this Apple Pencil has is not only the squeeze functionality gives you quick access to your little wheel of multiple different tools to select from. You get more on Apple's Freeform app. But if you select like a highlighter as an example, when you start highlighting your way, you could pivot the rotation of the Apple Pencil to get some like unique designs. That's a forgotten feature I see a lot of people always forget. Now, just because it says Pro does not mean this Apple Pencil is exclusive to only Pro models like the iPad Pro that we have here. No, its compatibility increased as the iPad Air 13-inch with an M2 or the M3, even the M4 is compatible with this. 13 or even the 11-inch, as well as the iPad mini, as long as it's the A17 Pro. And of course, all the Pro model iPads, 13 or the 11-inch, as long as it's the M4 or greater iPads, have capabilities to be used on this iPad. This is the M5 we're using right here. So its compatibility list has increased. All these features that you're seeing right now are also compatible on other iPads, not just a Pro model anymore. Now, when you're using Safari and you're using the search feature, you can scribble to delete text. And then you can just simply write down the website you like to go to and just finish it with a .com. And boom, just like that, you enter the URL without using the keyboard. But you do have keyboard access right here if you need it. Same goes for the enter key in case it doesn't automatically enter. But if you do type in something like on Google search using the Apple Pencil, such as Hummer EV cost as an example. But if you like to go back and select a certain text, just draw a circle over it and it will select it like so. You could cut it if you want to remove it, or even copy. So again, circle around the text and you'll get your little select tool right here. Now, one of the most forgotten tools about the Apple Pencil is this little corner right here with this little white marker popping up. That's just telling you by doing this will quickly launch your note app. Here you could write like quick reminders and stuff like that. You could take quick notes right here. You could also add links, and you have your pencil tool right down here as well. So if you ever wonder what this little thing is, just a reminder that you have quick access to quick notes on the go. And then you could just include the link just like that to the website that you're actually on. So go back and review it later. Great for adding links, reminders, or ideas without leaving what you're doing. Now, the Apple Pencil does have a hovering trick. By hovering over apps or icons, it'll give you more information and will basically allow you to see exactly what you're about to tap before you drop the pencil and make contact to the screen. But if we launch the Apple Notes app, there's a lot of amazing tools in this. Let's go ahead and cover them. So for starters, by squeezing the pencil, again, gives you access to your quick tools right here. And if we write down today's date as an example, show you something pretty awesome. So today is the 21st. My text straighten up. If you have sloppy penmanship as an example, like I do, and you like this straighten up feature, it's kind of nice. To enable this, squeeze the pencil, tap on these dots, tap the gear icon, and you'll see auto refine handwriting. Enable this, and then you'll have that ability. But if whatever said reason you want to have it off, but you like to override it when you need it, then what you want to do is select this pencil tool with like this zigzag pattern going on. By selecting the text, you have this tool where you could tap on these dots, and then right here you can straighten the text even more, or even resize it, or duplicate it, paste, as well as a lot more options as you see right here. So that's pretty cool. And then real quick, if you've been enjoying this video so far, enjoy these ad-free style videos. If you could kindly take 2 seconds to hit that like button and like, those truly do help out the channel, as that allows the channel to be powered by you guys, not brands. So thank you to those that continue supporting the channel by just simply hitting that like and allowing us not to rely on brands. So big thank you to those that continue supporting the channel by just simply hitting like. Really does mean a lot. Let's carry on. Additionally, whichever app you're using, if you go back and select your tool as an example, if you're solving like a mathematical question, with Apple Intelligence, it will identify that you put an equation. You could select solve and it will solve it, and it will continue your handwriting style too, which is quite nice. But if we exit out of here, I mean, let's say for example on your notes, you like to search it up. You can also use the spotlight search to search up some of your handwritten notes. As you see right here, it immediately popped up on that math equations we made earlier today. So this not only works for numbers, also text. So if you made like a handwritten text, you can always search up via spotlight search. And it also synchronizes with your phone too. As you can see, our handwritten note is right here and we have quick access to it on our phone. Now, if we lock our iPad and we simply unlock it, if you tap on the lock screen with the Apple Pencil, it will immediately take you to your Notes app. But each corner on the iPad has a unique tool. As an example, this top corner over here, the right corner, will take you to your control center. This corner over here will take you to your notification. Bottom left with the Apple Pencil will take a screenshot. And if you're circling something, if you long hold on the subject, it will perfectly create a circle. You can also make shapes like a star, a square, a straight line. But if it's something you're trying to highlight for somebody else, if you make a line and then hold it midway like so, you'll form a perfect arrow. This works across the entire operating system. Also, third-party apps has this ability too. Now, another great app that's first-party from Apple is the Freeform app. This app, if you install it, it's basically an endless canvas that you have access to, with so many different tools and pencils to select from. And then you could just infinitely just zoom in and zoom out. This is an amazing app for that functionality. And yes, you could remove the dots if you want a really blank canvas. But another bonus feature I like to show you is your signature. If you like to make your signatures on here and you like to save permanently on your Apple Pencil, especially when signing like PDF files, you can do that. Go back to the Notes app, squeeze the Apple Pencil, tap on the dot, and you'll see this little signature icon right here. From here, you could add your signature or remove some previous ones. So by selecting this, you could easily just click and drag your signature anywhere you like. And to set this up, if you haven't yet, go back in the signature, add and remove, tap plus. From here, just do your signature. And if you have the auto straighten, it will actually use it and straighten your signature. And you can tap check mark. And just like that, you have successfully saved a signature. And now this is not my actual signature. Aside from that, there you guys have it. Those are a handful of amazing hidden features and some powerful tools that the Apple Pencil can do. So if I convince you on purchasing an Apple Pencil Pro to take full advantage of your iPad, make sure you use the affiliate link in the description down below, as that not only sends a small kickback to the channel, but also allows the channel to continue to be empowered by you guys, the viewers. But if you already have an Apple Pencil Pro, well, hopefully you found this video informative and useful on some nifty tricks that a lot of people always overlook. Now, if you wish to watch more features, maybe you have a pair of AirPod Pros and you're on the latest version of iOS 26 on your iPhone, definitely do check out this video over there where I go through a handful of amazing new integrations that Apple added on iOS 26 with a pair of AirPod Pros. Doesn't have to be the latest generation. Even the second generation has some amazing new features. Definitely do check out that video over there. Thank you so much for watching.